the summit and we're stopped. There's like all these weird shadows on the windshield. We're surrounded by snow. I don't know what we're waiting for. I think we're waiting for the snow plow, maybe plural, snow plows, to clear away some snow for us. I've never been stopped at the summit before, like literally like at the top. My maps doesn't show much right now because, well, it might be connected back pretty well, but it does say the amount of feet high we're up. Is that right? So the elevation, right, that's the word. The elevation is 7,382 feet. So we're up here. A lot of us are up here. And I just want to keep going. I'm getting some adrenaline from this because it's a little spooky up here. It's pretty spooky up here. And I just want to go. But yeah, this is what it looks like when you're at the top. At Echo Summit, and you're stuck. I'll show you what it looks like in front of me. So yeah, I said I'll show you what it looks like in front of me. Oh, it's not focusing. There you go. I think I see some workers up there. So